that you're in control. Well, I think you're crazy. I think you're crazy. I think you're crazy. Just like me. My heroes had the heart to lose the lives I wanna live. And all I remember is thinking I wanna be like them. Ever since I was little, it looked like fun. If there's no coincidence, I've come, and I can die when I'm done. But maybe I'm crazy. Maybe you're crazy. Maybe we're crazy.
Shame man, when the innocent are taken to the pavement. Won't somebody just tell them? Won't somebody, oh, won't somebody, oh, 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 oh. Won't you please look after my children? Other words from the mouth of the women. Some are getting all the wood to get the fire lit. Some are picking up the pieces of the last days. Won't somebody, oh, 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 oh. So we're calling all the pros, they're coming up slow. It's gonna be a showdown. Said the rebel to the revolutionary, come with me. And if you feel like you are witnessing a movement, then get up, girl, and let them know you're free. I come from the land of the shame man, where the world is looking up, you know it's changing. Won't somebody just tell them? Won't somebody, oh, won't somebody, oh, 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 oh. So we're calling all the crows, they're coming up slow. It's gonna be a showdown. Say the rebel to the revolutionary, come with me. And if you feel like you are witnessing a movement, then get up, girl, and let them know you're free. Say the rebel to the rebel, I'm going to come with me. I'm tired of living in the favor. Real sky I long to see. The journey must continue, it does not start or end here. No. Side to side, and it is here that we must hold so dear. So we're calling all the crows, they're coming up slow. It's gonna be a showdown. Say the rebel to the revolutionary, come with me. And if you feel like you are witnessing a movement, then get a girl and let them know you're free. It's just a murder code. Coming up slow. It's gonna be a showdown. Say the rebel to the revolutionary, follow me. And if you feel like you are witnessing a movement, then get a girl and let them know you're free. Got to get a girl and let them know you're free. Got to get a girl, and girl, let them know you're free.
Call them cool, those hearts that have no scars to show, the ones that never do let go and risk the tables being turned. And we call them fools who have to dance with the flame, who chance the sorrow and the shame that always comes with getting burned. But you've got to be tough when consumed by desire, 'cause it's not enough just to stand outside the fire. Call them strong, those who can face this world alone, who seem to get by on their own, those who will never take the fall. But we call them weak, who are unable to resist the slightest chance that might exist, and for that forsake it all. They're so hell-bent on giving, walking a wire, convinced it's not living if you stand outside the fire. Standing outside the fire, standing outside the fire. Life is not tried, it is merely survived if you're standing outside the fire. There's this love that is burning deep in my soul, constantly yearning to get out of control, wanting to fly higher and higher. I can't abide standing outside the fire. Standing outside the fire. Standing outside the fire. Life is not tried, it is merely survived if you're standing outside the fire.